Kind of looks like a rainstorm, but so little Angel loves.
I love it.
Love rainstorms, right?
Yeah.
It's your favorite.
Look at the sky up there. It's all orange, and then it was moving in this way, and you can see like it's raining over there, but not here.
But not here.
Not yet.
We're bone dry. So you could just see like it's a huge thing of mist here. Huge thing of mist here. Just waiting for some thunder to hit.
The lightning coming. There it is. Did you see that?
I filmed it, I got it.
Sky got all pink up there. Oh, it's so cool.
You love this? Farted. Ah, you can feel that. And look at it. You can kind of tell, but it's going. It's all along there.
Oh, I missed it.
I was filming, but I wasn't looking. It's still far away though, huh? Just loving it. Just filming it like crazy. Right? It's our dream right here.
Whoa! You get that?
Yep. It's a rare thing in Nova Scotia to have lightning, right? Lightning and thunder, it's a very rare thing. Comes around once or twice a year. And here it is. It's here. Whoa, hear that rumble, man.
It's not once or twice a year.
No?
But it's definitely less than Ontario.
It's very rare. It's very rare out here. So here it is. It's probably gonna kick off again.
Whoa!
I missed it. Uh-oh. It's raining time.
Now it's moving above us. Let's go inside.
Okay, we're going inside. Get inside quick. Quick, 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 quick. Oh my god, it's kicking off. It's kicking off. It's kicking off. It's kicking off. Alright, inside where it's safe.
You can film it from here.
I'm gonna film it from there. It's my artistic shot here of it raining.
Whoa! You missed such a cool one!
I missed a really cool one to get shots of rain on wood.
Oh, man. Why is it stinking here?
Just farted.
Okay. Oh, that was cool.
Didn't see anything.
I think I caught a good one on my phone, but
Yeah?
I'll have to go back and watch it.
Think it's over?
I think there might be one more.
One more? One more in there?
I think it's done.
Okay. So there you go. That was a Nova Scotia thunderstorm. Happens about once a year, maybe more. Who's to say, who's to know? Kenny was loving it. Definitely enjoyed that. Cause shiny my forehead is. So, hope you enjoyed that. It's a little gift from me to you there. Okay, bud? I'm gonna go back to cleaning the kitchen, because that's what I was initially doing. Clean up this damn house. It's a mess. I think Kenny's probably still up in her room filming. Lightning. It's getting a little dark out there. Maybe there will be more lightning. I don't know. I don't bloody know. I don't bloody know. I'm gonna drink some wine right here and listen to the rain. And pet the cat. Look at all this cat hair on this blanket. Don't let a bloody cat into your house. They'll bloody cover it in fur. There's the bloody cat right there. Just checking out Candy, making sure she's all good. Kitty! Hi.
Look at the...
What?
At the fox.
Film it. I'll film it.
It's gone already.
Look how tiny it is. Just running across. Just running for its dear life.
See, I wish you got it with that one.